Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning case study and real-world business analysis projects. Class 14 is designed to bring together all the knowledge and skills acquired in previous classes by applying them to real-world business cases. In this session, business analysts will be exposed to real business problems, where they will use business analysis techniques to devise solutions, create reports, and present their findings. Additionally, students will work on team-based case studies to simulate the collaborative nature of real-world business projects. By the end of the class, participants will have honed their ability to solve business problems effectively and be prepared for business analyst roles in the job market. Analyzing real business problems. In this section, students will examine actual business challenges. They will be provided with case studies or scenarios from various industries, such as finance, healthcare, retail, or technology. Business analysts must assess the situation, identify the core problems, and understand the context in which the issue has arisen. Steps for analysis. Defining the problem. Start by identifying the problem statement clearly. What is the issue? How does it impact the business? Stakeholder analysis. Determine who the key stakeholders are and what their concerns might be. Understanding the perspectives of all parties involved is essential to formulating a comprehensive solution. Data collection and analysis. Gather relevant data to support the analysis. This may include financial reports, market data, customer feedback, or internal process data. Root cause analysis. Using tools like the 5 whys or fishbone diagram, determine the root causes of the problem rather than just treating symptoms. Developing solutions using business analysis techniques. Once the problem is understood, the next step is to develop potential solutions. Business analysts will use the techniques learned in previous classes, such as SWOT analysis, identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats within the business. Business process modeling. Using tools like Visio or Lucidchart, create visual representations of the current processes and propose new, more efficient workflows. Cost-benefit analysis. Assess the financial implications of each solution by comparing the costs against the expected benefits. Types of solutions. Process improvement. Optimizing existing workflows to reduce inefficiencies. Technology solutions. Implementing new tools or systems to improve business operations. Strategic changes. Proposing shifts in business strategy to meet long-term goals. Creating reports and presenting findings. In real-world scenarios, business analysts are expected to communicate their findings effectively to stakeholders. This section focuses on how to write clear, concise reports that summarize the problem, proposed solutions, and their expected outcomes. Report structure. Executive summary. A brief overview of the problem and solution. Methodology. Explanation of the methods and tools used to analyze the problem. Findings. A detailed description of the analysis and the identified issues. Recommendations. Clearly stated solutions with supporting data and rationale. Implementation plan. Steps for how to execute the recommended solution. Once the report is created, business analysts need to prepare to present their findings to senior management or stakeholders, ensuring that they can communicate both the data and the value of their proposed solutions. Working on team-based case studies. In this section, students will be divided into teams and tasked with analyzing a business case together. The collaborative nature of real-world business analysis projects will be simulated, and students will practice working in teams to develop solutions, prepare reports, and deliver presentations. Team dynamics. Role assignment. In a team, each person might take on a different role, such as data analysis, process mapping, or stakeholder communication. Understanding team dynamics is crucial to effective collaboration. Conflict resolution. Working in teams can sometimes lead to differences of opinion. Business analysts must learn how to resolve conflicts constructively and ensure that the team stays focused on the end goal. Preparing for business analyst job roles. This section will guide students in preparing for business analyst job roles by emphasizing the skills and tools that are essential for success in the field. Key preparation areas. Resume building, how to highlight relevant skills and experiences. Interview preparation, common business analyst interview questions and how to answer them, focusing on problem solving, communication, and technical skills. Certifications and learning, overview of certifications like CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional, or PMI-PBA, Professional in Business Analysis, that can boost employability. Conclusion. Case study and real-world business analysis project serves as the culmination of the course, allowing you to apply what you have learned to actual business problems. This class emphasizes the importance of practical experience, collaborative work, and clear communication in delivering actionable solutions. By the end of this class, you will be prepared to enter the workforce as business analysts, ready to tackle complex business challenges and drive value for organizations. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.